In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Wrike, and we'll walk through this process together in just about 5 minutes. If you found yourself needing to tidy up your workspace by removing old or irrelevant projects, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to wrike.com. Once you're on the site, locate the login button in the upper right corner, click on that and proceed to log in using your email. After typing in your credentials, you will be ready to navigate through the platform. Now let's talk a bit about what happens when you delete a project or a blueprint in Wrike. It's important to note that when you delete any project containing tasks, subtasks, subfolders, or subprojects, there's a cascading effect. If these items are exclusive to the project you wish to delete, they will be removed entirely once the parent project is deleted. However, if these items are stored in other locations within Wrike, they will remain intact elsewhere even after the deletion. Understanding this can help prevent you from accidentally losing valuable information. Next, let's specifically focus on the steps required to delete a project. You'll begin by navigating to the space containing the project you wish to get rid of. Once you're in the correct space, switch to the table view. This will make it easier to organize and locate the project swiftly. Once you're viewing your projects in the table format, find the project you intend to delete. Hover over it with your mouse. You'll notice a 3-dot button appearing next to the project title. Click on this button, or alternatively you can simply right click on the project title directly. Both actions will bring up a drop down menu. From the menu, you'll need to select the delete option. Clicking this doesn't instantly remove the project, instead a confirmation window will appear. This is a safeguard to ensure that deletion isn't done accidentally. Be sure to review this confirmation window carefully. Once you're certain that you want to proceed, click the delete button in the confirmation window. And there you have it, your unwanted project has now been successfully deleted from Wrike. It's always a good practice to double check that you're not removing any crucial information during this process. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and makes managing your projects in Wrike a bit simpler. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.